welcome to Squarebody Stuff. I'm Chad. We got Squeaky loaded up on the trailer. We got the truck loaded down. Old Maxine, she's ready to tow him up there. We're headed to the drag strip today. The weather is beautiful right now. The radar's showing maybe some possible rain at the track. I'm hoping it'll be either short-lived or just blow over. And if it is short-lived, they get the track dried out and we can, just have some fun. So I'm excited. It's been a while. I hope you guys enjoy the video. I'm gonna try to get as much footage as I can. So this may be a long video, it may be a short video. I don't know. But we're gonna have some fun. I think Squeaky's in his best shape ever, other than the 305 still completely wore out. But I've got the two-step hooked up. I got a better fuel system on my nitrous setup. I've done a few little modifications on the rear suspension, nothing major, but it's just kind of some redneck engineering. I'll show you real quick. Hopefully the light's okay, you can see this, but this bracket here, which is a factory thing, it had one on each side on the front, but for some reason the ones on the rear were missing. And this thing was having some really serious axle wrap, and you can see those marks right there on my spring hanger. That's from that main or the second leaf hitting the hanger, because the springs were wrapping, the axle was wrapping so bad it was pulling that spring down and hitting that. So I found a couple of these, put them on. That'll keep this axle from wrapping or the springs from dropping so much. Also, I'm making use of these heavy overload springs as makeshift slapper bars. I put a little piece of metal there, weld it to the spring. Yeah, I know it's not good to weld the spring to steel, but I've never been one much to listen to rules. But it's already got a little load on it, so hopefully that'll help keep some of the spring and axle wrap under control. That'll help the traction issue, which I haven't really had a real problem with traction or anything. It's just that axle really wraps up. I could feel it in the truck. The truck just kind of hunches up. And my buddies, in some of the video I've seen, they've said that truck just kind of bunny hops. So I've never really had it hop or anything like that, but hopefully that'll help with the traction. Added a little more weight to the passenger side, so I think we'll be good to go. I'm excited. I just hope the weather pans out. So I'm gonna get the last little bit of stuff rounded up, loaded up in the truck, and we'll head on down the road. Hey, while we're traveling down the road, starting out on our trip, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below if you're not already subscribed, and ring that little bell next to it, because that bell gives you notifications whenever I put new videos up. And hit that like button, give us a thumbs up. Share this with some of your friends. Also, go down the description box down below and click on the links. I got my email, Facebook, Instagram. Also, there's my Teespring store where you can find all my merchandise. Click on that and he can pick you out something to wear. I've got my Old Glory t-shirt on, got my Old Glory coffee cup with me. So check all that out. So we'll get down the road, and hopefully the racetrack will be open and no rain, and we'll go have some fun. Squarebody. I really need to work on my B-roll and be like them big YouTubers. So just randomly while I'm driving down the road, I figured I'd take some footage. Usually when my wife and I are out and about traveling or whatever, every time we see a Squarebody, whoever sees it first hollers about the Squarebody. And sometimes we keep track, see who gets the most. It's a fun little game we play. Of course, if it's one that the other one may not be able to see in time, you got to yell out Squarebody, 3 o'clock, or, oh, wait a minute, Squarebody, look at that. I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but there's one right there. You never know where they're going to be. Coffee just hit bottom. I got a long way to go. Oh, I got to pee. Woo. Squarebody, Suburban. Looks like I was the first one here, And the second one here is my buddy Gabe. Hi Gabe. And his baby Squarebody. G sharp. That looks slick. The skies don't look too good though. We may have a little rain shower, a little storm come through, but I think it's gonna be short-lived. They can dry the track out pretty quick here, so I guess to get the trucks unloaded and hopefully stay dry. What are you doing? Giggles?
Yeah.
Why are we here? Because race truck. Come on.
Of course, because
Come
race
on.
truck.
Has the cat got your tongue? Well, the weather didn't cooperate, so Squeaky's still on the trailer. Gabe and his wife and family is getting ready to leave. They've canceled everything, so we were the only, well, there was like 3 or 4 people that showed up, so, but it kept raining and it looks like more rain in forecast. At first I thought it was going to blow over and be able to dry the track out, but no race tonight. Don't have anything for you on the video, so kind of a bummer. It'll be hopefully next weekend I can get to the track, and that'll be my only chance for another few weeks with my work schedule. So that is what it is. We'll deal with what we get dealt with us, and I guess until next time, y'all keep your square bodies rolling, and catch you later.